Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Wednesday, September 27th. Time is around 6:15 GMT, and we will have a look at the Dow Jones futures on the Owanda platform. This is a lower time frame analysis, but I will start with the daily time frame here because we reached some important area. Like if you follow me for a while, you should know that this area is already quite some time here um, on my charts. Here, this wave two area, and so now we reached it, or we let's say we almost reached it, but like this can be a valid wave two. This is the point that I want to make, that excuse me, everything is now here to have a complete wave two. Um, of course, still something else can play out. Like we have to stay focused, and it's not because we reach the wave two area right here that nothing else can play out. Like as you can see, I even have a secondary scenario here on the daily. So now that we reached this area, maybe we should also start to consider further downside, which would then be the secondary scenario here. But this is something I will do in my weekend analysis. So on Friday or in the weekend, or on Monday, I will see when I will record the higher time frame analysis. I also would like to have a bit more data. I'm curious about what we will do here. But so yeah, now we are here. Correction can be in here as a wave two on the higher time frame. Of course, we can also go deeper into this area. That's possible, but yeah, two things has to happen now from an analysis point of view. Like we have to start looking here for an ending structure and where to go long again. And at the same time, we have to prepare for an alternative in case this is not a wave two, but this is just here the corrective A, B, C. Then it would mean that this here like is a one, a two, and that we see more downside here as a wave three. But this is something I don't expect actually today or tomorrow. So I will keep this for my higher time frame analysis. Now let's have a look here at the 4 hour. We are actually a bit in a similar situation as the DAX, I would say. Like everything starts to be here for a complete structure down. Like we reached the wave two area. We have our three swings here as a corrective move, or you count like this A, B, C, or you count like this A triangle, B, C. Also here we will have a look at it in a minute, but on the 1 hour, this also like shows five waves. Yeah, the only thing that I'm missing here is I would like to see like divergence here in this wave, although for the Dow Jones, we do not really need this divergence. Like if we start to count from here, of course we need it on the lower time frame on the 1 hour, and it's present there. But on the 4 hour, we do not really need it. Some arguments in favor from a reversal from here. However, if you follow me for a while, you know that I prefer this kind of areas here, like the equal leg areas, as I call them. Like if we take the length of our wave A, the length of our wave B, then here this area that we can find by between the 1 and the 1.618 FIP extension are the areas where we typically expect or have a reaction. Like here I would enter blindly, let's say, because I'm almost sure, or in 90% of the cases, you have a reaction to the upside. Will it hold? This I don't know, but at least I can create a risk-free trade. And yeah, here, at this point where we are here, like it can be finished, then we just have a shorter wave, wave C. That's possible. This also happens in the markets, but it's less reliable. If we look at the 1 hour here, like I said, but I already said it for one or two videos, I think we have divergence here. We still have the divergence. So yeah, you could also count 5 swings, like I did it here on the 15 minutes. In my opinion, it would look like this here: 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. So yeah, like this can be finished, but yeah, there is nothing that prohibits that we see more, that we go lower, that this just extends this wave to the downside from here. Like from this area, I would expect a reaction. Like here, buyers will step in again. But here we have less certainty. So like to enter along from here, I would like to see something like more indications that we are bottoming here. Like I would like to see a structure to the upside. How does it look like? Do we have 3 waves or 5 waves? Like in case we have 3 waves, yeah, then this can be like a 4, like 3 waves is corrective. So then this can be like a 4, or like I show here, like a wave 2, and then 3, 4, 5 down here in the wave C area. So yeah, I would say in conclusion, like everything is there. Like we can start to go up from here, but that would be like the exception. The exception in the sense that we only have a short wave C. Normally, we reach this kind of areas, and therefore this kind of areas are also safer to enter. So if you want to enter here, or if I will enter here, I would just like to see some more data, some kind of structure, so I can decide, like, is this move up here corrective or impulsive? That would give me more indications. At the moment here, we do not have much of indications. And if you took the short here from the triangle, then then you should already take profit, in my opinion, because we can see more downside, but I think everything is also here to reverse. So I don't think you want to lose your profits you have right now. And then an option might be, depending on what we get here, is it a corrective structure up in 3 waves to enter again as a short? Is it an impulse? Then then I would be careful with the short. Then we might start to look for a long entry. So okay, let's see what the market gives us today and also tomorrow. I don't know if we will know much more in only one day, but yeah, I keep you posted with another video tomorrow. So if you like this analysis, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and then I see you back tomorrow. Have a nice day. Bye bye.